Yeah, you gotta go see what's going on outside. So look, I know it was fucking insane. Just touch the rain. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. Wait, I mean, look. Doesn't look like no time to go to have some fun in the park. Oh, it's been cold. Yeah, so it's raining. Isn't it cold, Shaun? The spring does rain sometimes. Not that rain. Not that heavy. It's fucking cold. Look outside. Look. Oh. Look, people's walking. There's some walking. We're walking. We'll walk. People are walking. It's joking at the same time. Yeah, this is happening right now at my house. So yeah, it's pretty cold out there. It looks like Jurassic Park up there. Dude, don't scare me. Yeah, I kind of hate lightning. I'm scared of clowns and lightning. So yeah, Cecilia, tell me if I'm not being overly dramatic about it, but wouldn't I kind of like die out there? Pissing down, and if I walked out there, would I die? So comment